Starting with, or on fast mode as well. I actually did not realize I put that on. It might have been a mistake. Okay, we do pull on the top, but that's alright, I think it's alright. This isn't, oh, it isn't jackpot. My apologies. I thought I put it on jackpot. I don't know what I'm doing here. We pull at 105. We need to see pulls on their side. Not good so far. 2 cases left. There we go. That's what we need to see. Now let's see something good. Show us that gold, basically, as long as it's gold. Go down, go down, go down. What's this? That's the top pull. 493, let's go. Nothing in the last case, but we get 216 from 63. What a last case clutch, basically.